How to pay with Clearpay on ASOS. To pay with Clearpay on ASOS, you have to select it as your payment method at the checkout. So basically, what you need is open up your ASOS app onto your device and start looking for the item that you want to buy or that you want to purchase, right? So once you've actually selected the item, what you need is just go to add to bag, and after the product has been added to your bag, you can then go ahead and select the bag section at the bottom right corner, and you could go to checkout. Once you go to the checkout section, you can find the payment here. You have these payment. You could go to the payment section, and as per the payment section, you could go ahead and select Clearpay as your payment options. Now, if you have a Clearpay account, you could log in, and if you are new, you have to create a new Clearpay account during a checkout with an instant approval as well, and your order will be processed, and you will pay in 4 installment over 6 weeks. This is how you're supposed to pay with Clearpay as on ASOS. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And likewise, if you have any sort of issue, then you could directly contact the support team or contact Clearpay support as well.